Hello my friends and welcome to the Department of Vocabulary. Today we want to talk about numbers, but we cannot cover all numbers in only one episode. So today we will focus on numbers from 1 to 69. So let's enjoy this beautiful day together. But before we start, please do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. Okay, let's start from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's continue from 11 to 20. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. From 30 to 60. 30 40 50 60. Now let's get into details and speak about numbers from 21 to 69. Okay, here I want to write 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, which is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good. And here I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now there is only one rule to consider. If we want to say 21, 31, 41, 51, or 61, we need to add this word in between. We pronounce it as e, and it means and. For the rest of them, we do not need to add anything. Now let's try a few numbers together. 21. I would say 21. 45. It would be 45. Next one, 55. 55. Next one, 68. 68. And the last one, 37. 37. A few more examples. 61. 61. 26. 26. 32. 32. 49. 49. And the last example, 51. 51. Okay, my friend, the reason I focused on numbers in this episode is that soon we are going to talk about time in French language. Expressions like what time is it and the answer, which is it's plus any number. Therefore, we need to master numbers between 1 to 59. Guys, if you like this episode, please do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. If you want to learn everything about emotions and love in French language, check this video.